The young people who come to us here at the Britannia Youth Organisation all hail from very deprived and marginalised communities. Our constituency of Hodge Hill is one of the most deprived and impoverished areas in the whole of England and even the United Kingdom at large, according to data from the Office for National Statistics. With this funding, we've been able to rent a local community hall working in partnership with our local church, where young people are now attending on a regular and consistent basis, learning new skills, acquiring information, understanding and appreciating the importance of knowledge. They're gaining insights from individuals who have successfully navigated the business world and prospered in education. And they go on to utilise that knowledge to produce successful applications of their own, whether that be for jobs, for university, college and apprenticeships, both within this city and all across the country. Another fantastic initiative we've been able to undertake is the digital development of the young people we serve, many of whom do not have access to laptops, tablets and smartphones, and in some cases even the internet, things that the vast majority of us take for granted. Now, with the purchase of electronic devices, young people are able to access a plethora of online resources through tablets available at our homework club. They are reading together, developing their vocabularies and building critical thinking skills, and going on to achieve better results at school with the ardent hope of progressing onto higher education. These aren't just skills and information the children will learn and subsequently forget. These will fundamentally shape their understanding of the world, knowledge they will then go on to use to navigate their adult lives. So on behalf of myself, our board of directors, our staff, our volunteers, but most importantly, the young people we serve, I want to say a massive thank you to donors like the George Bentham Trust, the Aston Foundation, Tesco Stronger Starts and the Postcode Local Trust, all of whom have contributed financially to these projects. Your funding is making a vital and crucial difference to the young people we serve at a critical juncture in their lives.